In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then at the top left hand corner hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji to bring up that page. Then scroll down for a bit and get into My Friends. Just hit where it says My Friends to show up your friends list. On that step, you have to find the person that you think has blocked you, and you can just scroll down to look for that person, or you can use search box to do that. Once you find one, you can hit add the person's name to open up the conversation, and then right here at the top you have to hit add that person's name to open up their profile page. And now right there, just underneath the profile picture, you can easily find that Snapchat score icon, and that means that this specific user doesn't block me on Snapchat because I'm able to see their Snapchat score. If you can see Snapchat score of any user on Snapchat, that means that this person has blocked you or hasn't added you as a friend yet. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.